Today I'm going to discuss about how to solve this problem. It means how to solve this problem easily. I'm going to discuss on it. Let's see the idea about the first question is then here the which of the following 16th group elements do not exist minus to oxidation state. One small logic point I will say metals do not exhibit the minus oxidation state. You can see clear oxygen is one non-metal, sulfur is a non-metal only, selenium is somewhat metal, non-metallic nature only, polonium is a metal. So the answer will be the polonium. So what you have to see students know? The answer will be the polonium. Polonium never exhibit the minus to oxidation. Got it clear? It's a polonium never exhibit the minus to oxidation. Let's have the next question is there now. The percentage of empty space in hexagonal plates. What is mentioned empty space only? Very well is there now hexagonal closed pack HCP. Okay, na? HCP. How much percentage? Generally 74% is occupied. HCP also, FCC also both are same only. So the percentage in the empty space will be the 26%. Look at the next question is there now. With increase in temperature, which of these changes? The mention is there now, with increase in temperature, which of these changes? So let's see the idea for this question is then here. Question what is then here? Remember with increase in temperature, what the molality, weight will not changes. Weight fraction never changes. Mole fraction never changes. So what is the option is there now? Only option B is the correct answer only. Let's see the question number 4 is there. The major binding forces diamond. Diamond is a covalent compound. Covalent compound means the compound which is made up of the carbon-carbon bonds only. You remember carbon-carbon bonds are covalent compound. So what is a covalent compound? It's have the generally made up of carbon-carbon covalent bond is a covalent force only. Generally it's made up of the covalent force only. Look at the next question is an alkyl halide undergo nucleophilic bimolecular. Bimolecular which reactions are there? Acid reaction. Acid reaction means what happens? Remember umbrella. Inversion configuration. What happens? What will be answer is the inversion configuration. So 51 is C only. Let's see the question. One more question is the question number 6 is now. Which of the following statement is not true? They mention number not true about the glucose. Not true about the glucose. So what happens? Remember the question is then it is aldose sugar. Yes, obviously glucose is one aldose sugar. In everywhere glucose structure is CHO. Starting point will be there. Remain will be OH groups are there. Remember, less level groups are there. So it's aldose sugar only. Next one more point is there now when heat with a hydrogen, it gives NH. Yes, obviously correct only. This is also correct only. Next one is it is a furanose. It's not furanose means 5-member ring only. It's not pyranose structure. Actually, glucose have the pyranose structure. So what is the option is there now? Option C is wrong. It's a pyranose. Pyranose formula. Next question they have given very clearly. I want convert alcohol to aldehyde. So remember, whenever I want convert alcohol to aldehyde, I can use the mild oxidizing agent. It means like a PDC or PCC I can use. This reagent can able to convert only alcohol up to the aldehyde state. Aldehyde. So what happened there? You can see the pyridinium chlorochromate. Pyridinium chlorochromate. Actually, chlorochromate will come. This is the answer. Next one is question number 8 is given. Which of the following is a wrong statement? Which of the following is the wrong statement? So let's see the question is which of the following wrong statement means 8th one is you can see clearly. So look at the question. First one is O2 is paramagnetic nature. So it's correct one only. O3 molecule is bent molecule shape. You can see clearly is a bent molecule shape only. So this is also correct only. Ozone is diamagnetic nature. So you can see here the O2 is a paramagnetic nature. O3 is diamagnetic nature only. So next one what is left here? So D option is left. Look at the next question. The compound that react faster with Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent means order is tertiary, secondary, primary. When you have any confusion, remember is then remember here the when you say same number is coming, 2 methyl, 2 all. It means same carbon. You can say 2 repeated. No, obviously remember this is nothing but a tertiary alcohol. Remember, you can say propane is there. This is my propane here. Second carbon atom contain methyl group. Second carbon also contain OH group. This is a tertiary alcohol. Next one is which of the following is non-crystalline amorphous solid? Non-crystalline amorphous solid. Amorphous solid, what means amorphous solid also called as a pseudo solid. Pseudo solid means amorphous means all remember glass. Amorphous, always remember glass only. Next question is, which of the following ether do not give HI cleavage? I mentioned very clearly aromatic ethers. What remember? Aromatic ethers. Like you can see clearly benzene which containing of the 2-phenyl group. You can remember benzene which is attached to, in this case what happened there? Because of the partial double bond character, these never undergo cleavages. It's not happen. So diphenyl ether. Remaining all will undergo. This one is. Question number 12. The system that forms a maximum azeotropy, sir. Maximum azeotropy means maximum boiling point content. Maximum boiling point means what happened there? Remember here the maximum boiling point. So it need more temperature to boil. So what happened there? Remember, to meet more temperature means you can see clearly hydrogen bonding in textbook itself given is there, no? Acetone and chloroform can able to form a hydrogen bonding. So this one is. So what happened there? Maximum boiling point means more boiling point is there. More boiling point means hydrogen bonding is more is there. You can see clearly this concept in apply here. H2S have the less boiling point when compared with water because of the hydrogen bonding. You also can see the more boiling point means what you have to see hydrogen bonding you have to see. Next one is the phenol when first treated with concentrated sulfuric acid and then with concentrated nitric acid. Remember, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, always remember H2SO4 and they have given HNO3. It indicates nitration. Nitration. And always remember concentrated. Concentration means what happens there? More number of nitro group will come. So 2, 4, 6 connect with the nitro group 1. What is mentioned? 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. So which of the following compound do not exist? Remember is there do not exist means always remember nitrogen cannot form 5 bond. Reason behind is because of the lack of d orbital. D orbital is not there. If d orbital is not there, how it can form a bond? You know in nitrogen electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Only 3 vacant orbitals are there. So it cannot form more than bond. That reason why it cannot. Look at a very good question is there now. Which part of nucleotide is responsible for the formation of the bond in the DNA double helix? You remember DNA double helix is there. DNA has a double helical structure. Double helical structure is there. No, double helical structure means what you have to remember is there. No, why double helical structure is coming from DNA means because of the base. Because of the base one. You can see clearly in textbook they mention very clearly here. Textbook they mention very clearly here. So what about in textbook they mention very clearly here. So textbook they mention very clear. What they mention is then here you can see two DNA molecule DNAs are there and they connect with the base one. They connect with the base one. The question number 16 is there no IUPAC name of the given compound. This compound IUPAC name they are asked. First priority is there no. This one is first priority is methyl group. Okay. Next priority you can see the lowest sum rule is there. Look at the 1, 2, 3, 4. Lowest sum rule is there. You can see the 3 nitro, 4 fluoro is there. You can see answer is there. 3 nitro, fluoro. Okay. No? So what I mentioned is there here. They didn't mention anything there. You can see very clearly. Look at the question carefully. So what when they sorry here priority order they have given for the fluorine is the highest priority. Sorry, lowest sum rule you are going no. So sorry, this the fluorine is the highest priority. So 1, 2, 3, 4 they have given. So what you mention is then here the 1 fluoro, 4 methyl, 2 nitro benzene. 1 fluoro, 2 methyl, 4 nitro benzene. Look at the question number is 17 is there now. Which of the following has the highest boiling point? You see, whenever iodine is there, iodine contained compound is more boiling point. Next one is bromine. Next one is chlorine. Next one is fluorine. So D option will come. No need to think about it. Question number 18, they have given very good question is there, no? Xenon compound. You see that xenon F will be there, here F will be there. Xenon have the 8 electron in the outermost shell. 2 already bond formation. Remaining 6 electrons will be in the lone pair. Remaining 6 electrons will be in the lone pair only. So what is the answer here? Remember, is there given is there no? It's a linear molecule. Remember, it's a linear molecule. So let's see the linear molecule, which is one which is possible. Remember here, the tetrahedral molecule. Okay, na? This is the salts not come. It's a ICl2. Okay, next one is ICl. You see very clearly, remember is then here also you can see very clearly what is the remember is there in this case because of negative charge repulsions are caused. See, because of negative charge repulsion are caused. It's not correct. Only barium chloride. Only barium chloride. So what happened? They given the solubility of gas in the water depend upon the nature of the gas also. Carbon dioxide more soluble than H2. Temperature also, pressure also. This they have given in test of itself. Question number 20. What is the question number 20? Which of the following order is correct for the bond dissociation enthalpy? Remember, because of repulsions are there, no, FF bond is a very weak bond. Because of repulsions only, FF bond is a very weak bond. So let's see the which one has FF bond is a very weak bond they have mentioned here. Option C, only this one is there. So this one is. The next one is then each polypeptide is a protein has a generally polypeptide in a protein has amino acid like linked with each other in a specific sequence. You remember polypeptide chains, amino acids are linked with the sequence. So sequence of amino acids is said to be what sequence of amino acids? What you consider the primary structure, secondary structure. You can see the primary structure explain about the sequence of amino acid during the denaturation process. So primary structure is remaining constant. Sulfur dioxide act as. Remember sulfur dioxide act as a okay, na? The action the sulfur. You can see the sulfuric acid act as a dehydrating agent, but sulfur dioxide not act as a dehydrating agent. Question number 23. Which of the following involves a dichlorocarbene electrophile? Dichlorocarbene means remember CCl2 2 radical. It means what happens? They always remember this word means the Remer-Taiman reaction. Remer-Taiman reaction. So, which are the following least basic nature? Least basic nature which must connect with the highest electronegative element. Electron density. Remember, nitrogen have the electron density. It will decreases whenever it's connect with the highest electronegative element. So answer will be if the molarity of dilute solution is doubled, then molarity is doubled. So what happens there? Remember, is that here the molarity is depend upon the that does not change it. So what happens here? Remember here the so the the value of the kf molar elevation constant. Molarity is in a molar kf value. Kf value is a constant. Okay, kf value is a constant, so it doesn't change. It doesn't change. Okay, students, I will continue my next term. Next part is also yes. Thank you.